Hey guys, what's up? It's Macy. Welcome back to my channel. So, I'm actually recording a completely separate video today, but I want to film this video because, you know, why not? I mean, I have nothing better to do, so let's just get into this video. Today, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's look. Today is... It'll probably be uploaded by Valentine's Day or like before Valentine's Day. I'm just gonna be doing an eyeshadow look because, you know, like, why not? Even though I already have eyelashes on, I'm still gonna do it because I really don't care. So yeah, cute. You know what? I'm about to take one of my eyelashes off. You know what? I don't care. This is gonna be all over the place, but I literally don't care. So I have two lipsticks right here and I'm gonna use them on my eyes. So first I have the Smashbox one, and it's in the color Babe Alert. So first I'm going to start off by putting that on my eyes, and then I'm going to take the Maybelline Superstay matte ink stuff in the color 80 Ruler. I don't know. But anyways, where's my brush? I'm just gonna use the same brush because I don't care right now. How am I gonna protect my eyelashes? So I'm just gonna like put some like that. That looks bad. And then I'm gonna take my brush and just blend it out, I guess. Ugh. There's like fuzz and stuff. Okay. Wait. I want to put tape on my eye. I'm gonna take this. And then I'm gonna like put some on the edge because I want to. Okay, I think that just ruined everything. But do I care? No, not really. Okay, well this is a rip because that's just like, it should be up a little bit higher. I can always fix it though. So I mean, now I'm gonna do, I look so funny. I don't care though. But I'm just gonna put the same thing, do the same thing as I did. Need more on this side because it just like didn't work, I guess. Okay, so I have that. Then I'm gonna take this one, which is like darker, and then I'm just gonna put that on the edge to make it like a little bit darker. It didn't really work very well, but I'm gonna try it again. You know what? This was like a fail, and I barely started. Okay, this actually looks kind of good, bro. Let's cut it. Okay, sorry. Or will I? Okay, that actually looks pretty good. Okay. Did I actually do something here? So on the other side, I had more on it. And I know I did, but I don't really care right now. Like, but that's kind of darker than the other side. So I need to just do a little bit darker. Okay, so that one is like up higher. I don't know why. But do I care? Heck no. Okay, that looks freaking good. I didn't think it would, but it does, bro. I'm kind of proud of myself. Okay, sorry. I really want to do a heart, but like, I don't, because I don't want to mess it up. That's freaking cute, bro. Like, in person, it looks way better than it does on camera. Also, I don't know which one's coming out. Like, the one I did today, like, earlier. Or, like, I'm still doing it, but... Anyways. But I'm pretty sure I'm getting, like, a new camera soon. But, like, my quality will be much better soon. Hopefully. I really want to, like, use concealer to, like, carve out, like, hearts or whatever. But I don't want to mess it up. Decisions. So I'm gonna use this stuff. This is what it is. It's good. It's like, you know, where the heck is that brush? And I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Okay. Also, I put this shirt on for like the theme. Okay, so I'm so scared to do like hearts because I'm gonna mess it up. You know what? I don't even care anymore. So I'm just gonna put like a heart like on each side, like right here maybe, or should I don't care. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm so concentrated right now, and look at that. I'm literally dying inside. I messed it up. You know what? I'm gonna add eyeliner. So I guess I got that. And then should I put like one like right here? Now I have that one. What am I doing with myself? Like, what am I doing? Sorry, my mom called me, but this is what it looks like. And yes, I kind of look weird, but do I care? Heck no. So I guess this is the final look. Sorry that my hair is so messy. I forgot to mention that. So enjoy, or what? Bye.